Hello guys, welcome again. We are learning to connect our Android application to MySQL database and we have done till here. We have already created a simple user registration screen and inside main activity we have created a request queue to add our volley request object. But Google Android developer website says that if your application makes constant use of network, it's probably most efficient to set up a single instance of request queue. So in today's this video, we will create a singleton class to handle all the network requests. So the code is here. You need to copy it, Control C, come inside your project, create a new class. I'm creating request handler and then paste the code you just copied. You need to import the classes and change the class name. So class name is request handler. This would be also request handler, and for now we don't need an image loader, so I'm deleting this. Import request queue, import context object, and the constructor name would also be request handler. Yeah, we don't need this part, we don't need image loader now, so I'm deleting it. And this is also a synchronized constructor, so change the name, it should be the class name here as well. And we need to import volley, and we don't need this image loader. So as you can see, this method will add the request object to the request queue, and this method will give us the request queue. So this is a singleton pattern, and it will create an instance of the request queue object, and that object will be live as long as the app runs. So this is more efficient way to handle the network requests. Now inside main activity, we do not need to create request queue. Delete this line as well. Now here we will write request handler dot get instance. This will take the current activity context as a parameter, so we can pass this as we are inside an activity now, and then add request to queue, and here we can pass the request object that we have already created. It is string request, so write it here, string request. That's it. Now again we can test the app whether it is working or not, so run your app. So this is the app. Let's try again. Put a name. I'm putting Ajad Khan, password 1234, and an email like ajad@gmail.com, and hit register user. And yes, we are getting the success message. That means our singleton pattern is working successfully. So that's it for this video. In next part we will remove the bug we are having, like this is accepting duplicate emails and username, and it should not happen. So I hope that you are understanding the video, and if you're not understanding and having any confusions, then you can leave your comments in the video and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. So also, to support me, please hit on the subscribe button and share this video as well. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.